and welcome to another video. Today we will try to take a couple of good trades in this market and take today's profit. As you can see, I just entered here with the sellers and I have my reasons for it. Okay, this is a rejection market. When you see tons of rejections in a ranging market, that's a very good place to take your trades based on the rejections. Okay, so we need to adapt ourselves to the markets type. Okay, we have different types of markets. Okay, if I draw a common line between all these rejections, we will have this entry right here. But this is not enough. We have to have the preference before deciding to take this kind of trade. Here you can see this outside bar pattern, which normally needs a retracement. So here the expectation is a red candle. So if the price comes up here, it's going to give us a safer entry, which was a winning trade, and we took that. Okay, so we also had another other opportunities. You can see we have a common point of rejection here, and now we could take this one, we could take this one. You see, we just need a common point that the price has been rejected different times. Okay, all right, let's see if we can find another opportunities in the other pairs. All right, we have a rejection market again. I'm gonna draw the common point. Let's go with the buyers because we already expecting a green candle. You might ask why? Because if you look at the back and previous candles, you see red, and then the green, red, green, and now again red, expecting a green one. Okay, so before taking the trade on the common point of rejection, you have to expect the candle. Then you take the trade at the safest possible entry. This is called margin of safety. All right. Let me see. Okay. So it was my second trade. I will keep moving. And this is literally how I trade. Okay. Looking for best possible trades, taking 5 or 6 trades per day, and I'm done. Okay. I'm not taking 100 trades per day. All right, we have a 3-minute engulfing pattern here. We have a 1-minute trend line, C, A, B, C. So we got the trend line, and then we go to the lower time frame step by step. Oh, let me just draw the initial zone of the QM first. All right, this is going to be my initial zone. And the initial zone is just something that you can see that where the zone is, so you can find the entry below that. All right. Unfortunately, we don't have a fresh demand down here, so we will just consider this 5-second demand area inside of this zone. But normally, I always took the trades where the entry is below the green zone. Okay, so I will go back to 1 minute. I will wait for the price to come down. Since it has trend line, it might be a good trade. I will set an alarm here, so if the price comes down here, I'll be notified. So I will just keep moving. All right, we have another ranging market. Look at this. The common point would be here for the entry. All right, I will just keep moving. Oh my god, look at this. I might have... If you remember, we took this trade as a first trade. Look, we had 2 more opportunities after that. Let me just draw that. Oh my god, I'm supposed to enter here. My entry is pretty late on that one. Oh, we have an alarm. Just... Which one was it? Oh shit. Oh man. Alright, thank god we didn't take this. We would lose this trade. Alright, this is the QM that we were talking about. And yeah, this is called, the trend line is nice, but the only reason that makes it a little risky is that we don't have a fresh demand area below the initial zone. Okay, if there was a fresh demand, it would react from it. So I would take it with a smaller amount, to be honest, if I was on this chart. But yeah, luckily we didn't take it. And also this trade was a winning trade, which I took it. I was trying to take this uncommon point of rejection right here. And if you look at the back, you see again, maximum 2 red candles. So we wouldn't expect a third one here. So the preferences you have in a green one. And then the entry would be exactly here, which I had a late entry here, but still it was a winning trade, okay? So far we got 3 trades. All right, I will try to take. All right. Sometimes you might lose also good trades. You might take a perfect trade and lose it, and that's literally the mind game of trading. Okay, you have to just keep going, keep taking best possible trades. Do not doubt yourself. If you have a profitable strategy or have been practiced a lot, do not second guess yourself. Just keep taking best possible trades. That's what I always tell people. All right, we have a common point of rejection again. See, this is the common line of all these rejections. Okay, the bigger the rejections are, the better the trade will be. All right, we have a QM here. I will check the confirmation first. We have the engulf at the 3 minutes. We go to the higher time frame step by step, and there we go. We got the fresh supply right here. I will mark it. I'll make it right here. Then I will keep moving. Oh my god, it still could take this. Like we have market sequence, right? So we have 2 red candles maximum, so we could take this one right here as well. Maybe this one. It goes up. Come on. Alright, I want to take this. Let's go. I got 2 trades here. It's beautiful. Alright. So here you see this red, green, red, green, red, green, red. I guess if we look at this part of the market at the higher time frame, we will see. Okay, it was a winning trade, right? Yes, all of them win. If I look at this, yeah, this is a spinning candle. I was expecting a doji, but you know, this kind of ranging markets, they tend to come back after breaking, okay? So here, normally we have red-green pattern. Here we're expecting a green one. So this gap down here is a positive confirmation for the buyers to take the entry, okay? Our entry was somewhere safe, so we win this trade. But in general, in most cases, these gap downs cause buyers to enter. In this case, the buyers didn't really enter, but our entry was good. All right. Let's just look for other opportunities. I want to take a very good trade. That wasn't very nice. Oh my god, look at this. First touch, second touch, higher high, and then breakout. This was awesome to take as a breakout trade. And it was also generally in classic support area. Look at this market. This is crazy, right? We have this QM up there. I'll check the confirmation. Nope, we don't have engulf. Yes, we have engulf in 5 minutes. This is the huge supply area for me. So I need a smaller one. go smaller time frame step by step, and I'm not able to find one. Hold on, we have a doji here. Alright, finally a doji trade. It'd be nice if we break this from the downside. Then we will look to see what we can combine with this doji. And it's gonna be fire. Let me just see. Let's just check other pairs. I am waiting for this one to close. So you know that if we have a doji, if we're breaking this, we can have a retracement, right? And now we're breaking, I'm expecting a breakout here, hopefully, and then we can take a retracement trade, but you should be careful because not all the dojis are takeable. Let's go. I take only one trade, okay? I don't want to risk too much on this. We have a little gap up in the favor of sellers, but I will look for... Yes, we have a higher time frame engulf right there. And then we have a demand area down here. So if the price jumps down, I'm probably gonna add one more. Alright, it's coming down. Alright. Nicely done. It's also with the trend, right? Minor trend is uptrend. Major trend, I would say major trend is kind of downtrend, but the market's movement is to the upside right now. And this is my last trade. I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.